Good morning, man. I don't know what's wrong with the chat. It is not showing on YouTube, man. What is this? Bro, I don't really know what's wrong with this chat, man. Damn. Okay. What's up, Shabazz, man? What's up, man? What's up? Cool. Alright, guys, so let me know my audio quality is clear and everything. Yeah. Yo. Mic check. Okay, I'm gonna check my own shit, man. Yeah. Yo. Mic check. Alright, guys, so let me know my audio quality is clear and everything. Yeah. Yo. Mic check. Okay, I'm gonna check my own shit, man. Man. Yeah, not the best. Yo, honey saying, yeah, man. Probably gonna wait for a while, man. Cool, I'm gonna check it. I'm gonna check it now. Cool, I'm gonna check it. Okay, seems decent now. Cause I turned off the fan, man. I think it's catching a lot of noise, background noise. Anyways, so yeah, man. Gonna start here, and let's do some analysis. And here, as you now go to sell resistance. Okay, cool. So guys, on gold, looking at the daily, daily has closed bearish yesterday, on Friday, and if we see, it is still respecting this area, so it is really kind of 50-50 if this will come down or the daily might can pop back up and it can maybe reach this area right here. If you go to the weekly is definitely bullish, because look, it closed bullish and might can fill a wick, and yeah, man. If you see, it also has closed above this resistance, above this support right here. All right, and it is approaching this area right here. Cool. Weekly is kind of bullish. Daily is I would say also bullish. Why? Because if it would have closed below, and it didn't even broke the last daily right here, so yeah, kind of bullish on gold too. Okay, so Waiting for a breakout would be good above this, and waiting for a breakout below this, that would be good. It doesn't mean that we will take the trade blindly. We'll see how the candle is going to close. Let's move to the next pair. Next, GJ. Okay, I think I was planning to buy it above this or even above this. For potential, this area is my target. If I make it above this, because this is the last zone. Yeah, I'm not comfortable buying GJ. I'll be buying if candle close somewhere around here. Gold can daily sign from zone is there. Yeah. EJ I share the analysis, so probably price can come to the downside for a pullback, but it doesn't mean that we will wait all the way. If we do get a breakout, then we make an enter. Okay, we have this area right here. Yeah, this is a good area. As you can see, price is reacting to this, so this is definitely a nice area right here. If you go to the 30 now, 30 is very choppy, man. Yeah. Okay, 30 has actually closed here on GJ. Okay, it has closed above our zone right here, man. Above our zone. Let me try. Okay, this is a valid zone right here. Cool. GJ actually has closed above our zone, man. So I think it's cool if we buy, but how much deeper pullback it is? 16 pips. We also have London open, so I think I'm gonna give it a chance here. Buy stop. Okay, with the stop loss just below. Yeah, I'm gonna set an order on my phone a little bit below, just covering the spreads. And yeah, we easily can target this area right here. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna buy stop here. I'm gonna mark it like this. Cool. I'm gonna buy stop here. So yeah, my stop loss is gonna be somewhere around here. Previous candle's wick. All right. I'm also gonna send a signal. Guys, if it didn't activate us in about 4 minutes, then I'm gonna delete it. This is my target for now. Well, if it didn't execute it in about like 3 minutes, I'm out, because I don't want to be a part of that 1 hour candle, next 1 hour candle. There is also some kind of volume here, like London Open is about to start, bro, so I think it's good. Okay. Okay, they made this trend line kind of different now. Cool. I'm gonna delete this order, man. I don't really want to be a part of next pullback. Yeah. Yeah, there was no I mean, yeah, doesn't look good. Yeah, now it doesn't look good. Even if it breaks, I think I'm gonna wait for the hourly now. So yeah, Telegram, actually I deleted it because I mean, people was talking shit, man. That Telegram was supposed to be for charts only, so we're gonna use this. We're not gonna use that. Anyways, so we'll wait. I think we have to wait for a close, either on GJ Gold, whatever. Let's see how 15 is doing. GU, actually GU was very bearish yesterday. Yeah. So target for GU is at least this wick fill right here today, as Monday can't really go too heavy here. I think GU also, if we do get some kind of fake out, that'd be good. Yeah, GU looks interesting. Gold is another. How can I send chart link? What you have to do, just copy link and just copy this last one and paste in the chat. That's what you have to do. Yeah, I'll be waiting for GU too, but for that I think if it breaks this high, that'd be pretty good, because that'd be just liquidity. Gold on the other hand, gold buys also looks nice here. Trendline break, if price breaks this, stop loss maybe 20 pips, and you can take this impulsively. You even can leave it for bro, how can you teach me how to identify liquidity grabs? Usually the first highs and lows are for the liquidity. For example, if session is like previous session was, or previous daily session, I would say previous day, I would say, like just I don't want to make it complicated. Previous day was very bearish. Now today is this Asian high. Okay. Now this is some kind of this. London is here. Okay. And what do you think now? This break is about to take the price all the way to the upside. Based on this information, I think this is just a liquidity. All right. This trend is to the downside. And once price has shown you signs of rejection, you can execute your sells. And if you have some kind of supply here, that's also nice. So that's how you identify liquidity grabs. GJ on the other hand, look, GJ never broke that high. If anybody took it impulsively at just the breakout, I think they got chalked here. Sells below is also fine for me, so probably whatever the session provide us, very open to it. This is also trend line, man. I think, wait, let me see. We have this sort of level right here, very small level, which is decent. Yeah, this here. So I think buys sells below this is also fine. Sells below this area right here. Why? Because price is showing weakness, it can't break. So I think sells below is also fine. Can you show example in gold chart? Gold, okay. Gold, for example, okay. For example, downside trend, just a pullback. Okay. Now you are like, this is a breakout. But if you see trend is to the downside and this high acted as a liquidity, okay, and price closed bearish engulfing, I think with this information, you can have executed sells, stop just above. You can even target whatever the low is. So in this case, it was just this. So if I show you previously, look, this low right here, wicked out to where? To maybe demand. And this was just a reaction of it. Here gold was really choppy. Let's see when gold was clean. Okay, here price took out this low. Let's see if there is any supply demand. Okay, there is some demand and price tapped here. And if you see here, trend was also bullish. I'm not talking about this whole thing, just focus on this impulse, which I mean at here, from here price started to make higher highs. So yeah, if price come to sell point before creating 4-hour low wick. Are you talking about GJ? Yeah. What you can do is, if the first highs and lows in the trend against the trend, I would say if that is uptrend and there is lows being broken, okay, just don't take at the break, wait for another structure, okay, then you can take sales. But if trend is up and this might be a liquidity, then price can continue to the upside again. So don't execute based on the first high and low getting manipulated or whatever. Let's see here. Okay, I got manipulated. Okay, and if you decided to take the trade right here, then this was a good move. If you see here, now trend is to the downside in this area, you have to avoid the breaks to the upside. First breaks, this is first break, avoid it. If you want to buy it, either have any second break, let's see this. If you have any trend line confirmation, whatever, pattern confirmation, whatever it is, you can use that information. Here, I don't know why the link is not going. Do you have any .com or HTTPS or something like that on the chart? Because if you have it, I think it will not go. Okay, you don't have it. Try different formats like remove slash or something like that. Like where there is slash type space, I will add the slash myself. For example, like this. Try a different format. Like this. Like this. I will add slash myself. Okay, man. We have 8 minutes left, and I still think if price breaks this, we are gone bullish. Yeah. If we break this, we are gone, bro. With the London volume, I think it's gonna rip up. If we see chart in a different way, in a matter in the form of supply and demand, then I have another template for that. Let's go to GU. Let's add EU too, because that's nice pair. Let's add Euro pairs, man. Because usually Euro and GBP pairs, that's the only pair that we can focus during London. Okay, still not going. I don't know what's wrong, bro. Okay. Let me see, man. What's the problem here, man? I don't know, man. What's the problem here, bro? Don't really know. GBP USD weekly is very bearish. So let's see what we can do here. We have this extreme supply area right here. But I highly doubt that price is gonna tap that area. Only GU is looking interested to me for sells. But where we can sell, that's the big problem here. Because okay, we have this imbalance. Yeah, we'll wait for this high to be taken out. Okay, and then I'm gonna see some variation patterns. If we do got it, I'm gonna take sells here. So that's my plan, guys. In terms of the breakouts, let's see GJ if that breaks that high. It didn't. So only 3 minutes left for the London Open. If we go to the 5 minutes, price is clearly printing some high highs and higher lows. Okay. Respecting this demand. 15. Respecting this whole demand. So we can't really sell it unless price breaks below this, aka it will also be breaking this trend line. So, and we have a lot of traffic here, which is clean, I would say. We have the supply, whole supply. Okay. And yeah, looks nice for sales, to be honest. We'll wait for this to be manipulated. Okay, and then bro, if any chart for our time frame supply zone is there, then 1 hour time frame demand zone. Okay, you mean this is 4-hour supply? Cool. And this is 1 hour demand. Also, there is current market price in between supply and demand zone. How to trade in minute 15? So in order to trade the minute 15, what you can do, suppose this is the, let's just find real example here. I'm gonna mark probably, let's say, I want the cleanest example here, bro. Euro AUD, Euro JPY. I'm not finding any example, bro. What the fuck? Okay, let's just take the inverse example. For example, you are looking at the 1 hour and 15 minute is bullish. How to trade the 5 minute? Okay, this is a demand right here, which technically got liquidated by a pip, which is fine. So I don't know, can able to send chart? Can you check Aussie NZD 4-hour candle? Yeah, I will just hold on for a minute. Usually guys, one thing more, if there is some imbalance, suppose this was the supply, okay, and you see a little bit of rejection and there is a whole lot of imbalance, so most likely price will break that high, then it will continue. I've seen and I've taken stop losses like this, so that's why. Aussie NZD, Aussie NZD. Let's take a look on the daily first. Okay, daily is way too bullish. Weekly closed bearish. Okay, let's take a look on a monthly last, what the monthly can do. Okay, monthly is a little bit, nature is fading away. I think monthly can tap here. It can liquidate this size, so technically monthly is kind of bullish. Weekly also fading away, man. Like, you see this type of thing, so technically it can break this size. So daily is also kind of bullish. Price tap in this demand, bullish. We have this area right here. Cool. This high might be, now this is a tricky part. If you want to trade a pullback, you can trade a pullback till here, but I wouldn't suggest, because now this all become liquidity. It will get like this. Even if it has to sell, it will liquidate the highs and lows. So I think that would not be the ideal choice. For example, this, if you draw a supply like this, it liquidated this and then it came down because you was in the opposite trend, right? It's bullish right now, I mean for a while. Lower wick of 4-hour candle. Yeah, actually London has started, guys. I forgot, man. GJ, let's take a look at the GJ. Okay, okay. I think this supply is getting reacted right from here. But it also has closed above, which is not really a good sign. So gold on the other hand, GU, GJ, GJ did closed above. There is not enough range, man. What up? I'd prefer. I will not prefer, man. Yeah, I will not prefer for the buys right here, man. Because 30 has no wick, okay, and this 30 can make a wick and can reject. So I don't really want to be in that situation. So I think sells below this would be fine for me. If I want to buy it, I want next candle to be bullish, pull back, and then that same setup. That would be good. Oh, that scenario, right? If 4 hour is, suppose this is the supply right here, okay, just trade that order flow which you are getting, okay. For example, if there is 4 hour supply, okay, and the 1 hour is printing high highs right here, okay, and there shouldn't be imbalance here if there is 4 hour supply. If there is imbalance, so high likely price will just liquidate and then can go to the downside, okay. It should be nice structure, okay, nice structure. And now suppose this is the 1 hour demand right here, price tap in this demand, see 15-minute candlestick formations. If you are getting rejection candles, bullish engulfing is preferable, I would say, or even nice rejection candles, you can take a buy, okay, and then stop loss just below, target that 4 hour supply. And one thing also you can do, you can take a look onto the 5-minute time frame, you can find a range, okay. If price is ranging, of course price will not range like that, price will range something like that, okay, like this. So you can set your buy stop above that 5-minute range, put your stop loss below the range. So that's also the thing that you can do. Okay, it is breaking above. I think fake out would be nice, so we're gonna wait on GU fake out. Gold fake out, yeah. EJ rejecting. GJ did broke that high. Now we'll know if it is gonna fill this wick or it is gonna reject and close back in the range. I think we have to wait. I'm gonna come back in like 15 minutes here, guys, so nothing is gonna change in 15 minutes. So yeah, I'll be back in 15. Seems like GU going up and up and up. W, let's go, man. Okay, so this GU breakout was really nice, but yeah, man. GJ on the other hand, GJ did give us 10 pips, but as you know, if 30 was having even a little bit of wick, man, I would 110% would have taken this buy right here, stop loss below this, 110%, because this is my favorite setup, bro. Because of no wick, we didn't took it. Even if it was having a little bit of wick, I was really fine with that. Gold on the other hand, gold can't really do. We have to wait for a break, or I think break below this is also fine. Just waiting here for the break. EJ on the other hand, okay, EJ kind of pulling back. Let's see if we do have any supply demand concept trades here. 4 hour, daily, okay, weekly. Interesting here, bro. We have new week here. Last week was bearish, so technically this is a nice setup for sells here. GBP NZD. The supply right here. Okay, I'm gonna go to 15 now. 5, 1 hour. GBP pairs are ripping, bro. It is tapping that retest area right here, which is a good sign. So I think one rejection candle. Let's see the 5 minute if we do have any auto block. Not really. Gold also, I think fake out sells will be fine. We'll wait for gold fake out. And GU tap in this area right here. X, I think it's not going. Okay. Let's see if it will go or not. It is not going. Nope. It is not opening, man. Okay, we haven't looked at a Euro USD, bro. Daily, very bearish. Weekly, pretty bearish. I would love to sell this week, but don't really have to be the first one to capture the sell. We'll wait for the level of confirmation here. So same concept here. I want this to liquidate, and then if I see rejection candle, I'm gonna execute the sell. And that's what my plan is. Okay, your GBP melted. Weekly still bullish though. So maybe this is just a pullback to fill this imbalance. Okay, TJ is showing a little bit of weakness here. I'm gonna go to the 5 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute price already has created a shock right here. So if you're supply demand or SMC traders, I think you should be in right here. 10 pip stop for me. Yeah, this looks nice, guys. If you want to take it, I think you can. But this wick doesn't surpass this, so I would like if it takes more liquidity and then do the same. Pound AUD is also a nice pair. Let's see what she's doing. Okay, pound AUD is right at this demand. Let's go to the daily. Okay, weekly. Weekly did closed bullish. Yeah, pound AUD look nice. You can wait for bullish variation pattern. Okay, so if it closed like that, I think buying would be fine. GP can be this high right here. See that forex sentiment. See what he did. So this is August 2. These are the latest positions that has been executed in on futures. So asset manager, they are long on Swiss. They are short on pound. Okay, I don't know what the data was previously. Okay, they closed 1000 longs. They added 1000 longs here. They closed 16,000. So yeah, if they are short here and they are long on yen now, actually they are short on yen. what leverage funds are doing. Okay, they shorted. Okay, 32. So they are long on yen, and the traders, they are long on yen too. Yeah, it's really nothing much here. Let's see how 30 minute hasn't closed yet. We still have 3 minutes left. So if it can close bullish, then only this scenario will be valid. Okay, I think that started to melt. 5 minute, 15. GU, I think GU, yeah. GU did took this high out, guys. So I'm gonna go to the 5 minute or 3 minute to find that imbalance or things like that. I wanted to create some structure, then I'm gonna sell this. This will be liquidity. Okay, gold is about to break here. I'm just testing this thing, man, because my setup didn't appear today, bro. Yes, I could have bought it at the break of this, high. Stop loss was break even right here. Probably would have got 10, 12 pips, 14 pips, but it's not really. No close means no entry, guys. Okay, this 30-minute had closed, so let's see how the candles are closed here. Okay, candle did close above this area. I would love to buy TJ now, if only if it created a deep bottom wick, 13-14 pips. Then I would I love to buy it. It needs to create a wick at least till here. Then only I'm gonna set a buy stop. This is a very nice area, so price never closed above it. Now it did. Okay, as you can see, price failed here. It did closed, but didn't really sustained. So maybe we can see the similar reaction, but by looking at this candle, it's not so much promising. Cool. Gonna set a buy stop right here. Stop loss can be this. For a time being, I do want it to tap this area right here. Okay, I'm gonna aim for this wick fill for about 13 pips. Oops. Cool. Buy stop. GJ. $7.15, right? Okay, I think GJ doesn't have plans. Stop loss is 566. Let's see, we still have like 26 minutes left for the close. Okay, price tapping this sort of demand area, so it's cool. It's still cool. Stop loss will be 549, or just do it 550. Yeah. Setting a buy stop here, and stop loss will be 550. Buy stop is 715. Cool. I'm gonna move stop loss to break even somewhere around here. Let's see how many pips we have there. We have 10 pips right here, so I'm gonna move stop loss to break even right here. Yeah, it's very nice bottom wick, so I'm completely fine with taking the trade unless it breaks this low, or maybe pull back even more deeper. Then I may not execute this. Let's talk about the full TP. Full TP can be this high is significant. Yeah. We have a couple of rejections from this area right here. Yeah, seems like a nice area to me, man. Yeah, this can be the TP. If it's spend there 5 minutes more like this, 5 is way too much. I think 3 minutes more like this, I'm gonna close this trade. I mean, I'm gonna delete the buy stop, because then I think 1 hour will not close above. Yeah, it's not looking good. Even if it flips, that's the sign where I don't want to. Yeah, I'm gonna delete it. Gonna wait for 2 more minutes here. If price tabs this area, I'm gonna delete it. Most likely price is gonna close dodgy on the 1 hour, or maybe like, I don't know what we call this candle. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna delete this. Let's take a look on the GU. I'm gonna close this one because GU is based on the different concept. So guys, for GU, what I want price to impulse, leave a little bit of imbalance like it did right here. It's a good sign. I'm gonna sell it because this was liquidity to me. Price tapping this whole imbalance. Now I'm making target this low right here. So yeah, let's see. Oh, closed it. Okay. We have 17 pip stop loss, 13 pip TP. Final TP is this 50 pips. Guys, I'm making put the order back on because technically this demand may can get respected, but it's way too late now. Only 20 minutes left. We'll see if technically is sustaining above here. Okay, GU showing signs of kind of the GU is kind of slowing down here. Okay, man, it's fucking flipping here, bro. Let me go to 5 minute. It's a huge wick right here. Okay. Close dodgy right here, right at demand. So just gonna back test this. I may can put the order back, guys. So yeah. $18, 3 minutes left. Yeah. Only 3 minutes left for the hourly close. I mean, for the last 15 of the hourly. So probably gonna stay away, man. I'd love a fake out, man. I would be putting risk to that setup, definitely. My withdraw date is on 14th, so I gotta wait. And I can't really take shitty setups and kill my withdrawal. So I'm gonna only take these setups which I 100% believe. I do believe this can continue to the upside if it breaks this high, but last 15 of the hourly, I'm not gonna take it. Fuck it. Okay, if hourly can close above, that fucking G is flying, bro. It is not rejecting, but it is good sign. 110% I'm on the sell side. Now we just have to find out which is a nice zone to sell. This can be a very nice retest. Okay. Sell here. Okay, dog. 30 can do that thing in the last hour, 15, but I don't really want to be a part of that. Maybe gold can create some head and shoulder. We have this area right here. So maybe if gold on the 1 hour closed above, if it gave a deep wick, then I maybe can buy it. Okay, this kind of can do on the last 15, but Euro USD missed 30 pips. Let's see what's Euro USD doing. Okay, Euro USD pumping to the upside, but I'm not on the buy side. It is ranging, man. Weekly does look good because it closed nicely. Definitely I'm on the sell side here. I'm not gonna buy it. We have this area right here, potentially head and shoulders. I traded in Asian today to the GJ. Okay, so what was the outcome? Got 0.88%. Beautiful. Gold running good. Gold, what do you mean, man? It's fucking just a few candles here. I'm looking at the sell here on euro dollar. If price moved impulsively, take this structure out, then I may can execute. I don't want these pairs, man. Yeah, we have 12 minutes left and I want Char was not being sent here, so send you on IG. Okay, let's see IG. Okay, that same sort of setup. It's kind of risky, man. Trey was kind of risky here, man. Yeah. This one wasn't risky, not gonna lie, man. Man, this fucking thing is pumping, bro. USD is pumping, bro. Let me check out Forex Factory, bro. What the fuck is going on? There's nothing, man. Okay, inflation expectation rise higher. So what, man? And last week was an FP, yeah. I think GU will tap all the way to the extreme. This extreme. And gold would be a lovely fake out, bro. If it pushed up, close back, definitely I'm taking that. There is no reason I'm not taking that. For buys, I think I have to wait for a little bit more confirmation. If price close somewhere down here, made a very deep wick, then maybe. Crazy ass pumping going on here. Thanks for the suggestion. Trading in the zone. No worries. Curiosity daily time frame. Can you see supply zone? Supply zone. Here. What the fuck, man? There's no supply zone, bro. This is the imbalance. I honestly don't know why. Okay, rejected, bro. Reject. Now, if this 30 can close below, let me see if this zone is good or not. Okay. Next zone is this. Okay. Oh, yeah, decent zone. This is a nice. And next zone is this. I think if we can close below on the 30. Sorry. In minute time frame. Yeah, it can be. If you see on the minute time frame, you will find a lot of zones. Yeah, it can. But I'm just seeing the weekly candle and this close bearish, filling this imbalance. So I expect this to be bearish as well. Man, this fake out will be lovely, man. I'm just waiting for that. Just waiting for a fake out right here. Why I'm saying a fake out sell? Because technically this is impulse, man. So it broke the small structure, this structure, this small structure. Yeah, man. Guys, people do some like free him, free that from prison or jail. I mean, why to free them? They did something wrong, right? For the rappers and things, they either drug charge, fucking assault, or um, oh, assault, or maybe some gun charges. They did a crime, so they deserve a fucking punishment, bro. Why to free them? Okay, why? Sign petition for that. I don't know, man. It just sounds so fucking ridiculous to me, man. Technically, weekly is bullish, man. Daily was bullish too. So, yeah. Yeah, I just wanted to go, and then I'm gonna set a sell limit right here. Yeah, break this. I'm gonna target this low right here. Shit. Okay, pound USD started to impulse. Oh man, shit, I failed to enter here, bro. My entry and stop loss were like that. I was typing a signal here. shit, I was muted, man. Yeah, man. Probably gonna end the stream right here because we didn't really got what we wanted. So yeah, GJ. If GJ can close below, I'm open for the cells. Yeah. But I think that will take a lot of time, probably 2, 3, 4 hours, man. Don't want to wait till that long. Because of course, this can close all the way, okay? So yeah. So I'm gonna end the stream right here, guys. So